System description. You have to put a system description together so that you describe all the components of your system and how they all work together. We could say this is a web server that's built on Red Hat Linux Enterprise. The back end of it is built with MySQL, and that MySQL system is attached to a network attached storage area. And then we go on to describe the network architecture, everything else that goes with it. That's the network, the system description. We describe the functionality of the system. Maybe we say that there's a limited login ability for the system, and all we want to do is disseminate information. The system description is very important for this categorization process because we also have to register the system. That's like the third major task that you have to do. So registering the system means advertising that you have this new system that has to be used for the organization. You want to put the name out there, and here the description is that it's a web server that is built on Red Hat Linux, and it has a MySQL database, and it's attached to a network attached storage area, and it has limited functionality and allowing people to come in and log into the system. So that's our description. Now we need the description in order to tell everyone what this server does. Normally organizations have some method of registering the system. The Department of Defense has something called EMAS. So when you register the system, you put the name, the description, and the version, everything else in EMAS, and then once you hit submit, it actually gets advertised to everyone, to higher level folks. So for the Department of Defense, it'll normally go to something like Cyber Command. And Cyber Command is then sees that there's this new system that's coming out, and that it's going to be, maybe the project is due in the first quarter of the next year or something like that.